Stop packing your Xreal gear like a rookie. I mean, would you take a Tesla on a road trip without a charger if you had a Tesla? If you wanted a Tesla? Most people skip 3 critical accessories, and one of them could wreck your setup mid-flight. Today, I'm getting the ultimate XREAL One Pro travel kit that changed everything. Let's check it out. Alright, so let me take you back. 15-hour flight, middle seat, outlet broken, earbuds dead, my XREAL Pro shoved in a soft pouch next to a rolled coin, almost got crushed. That was the day I said, never again. So what did I do? I built this. A lightweight, fully optimized XREAL travel kit. It protects your gear. It keeps it powered non-stop and even gives you a portable workstation. It's not just a list, it's a tech ecosystem. Now, I take it everywhere, and today you get the playbook. Alright, let's break this bad boy down like a transformer. You got the 171-inch cinematic display for $649. XREAL One Pro glasses, Bose tuned speakers, 6 DOF tracking AR Blitz. And I do mean AR Blitz. Coming in at number 2, you have your XREAL Beam Pro, $199. This is your control tower. Android, dual cameras, and charging while in use. Like a treadmill that gives you massages, efficient and luxurious. Number 3, the XREAL Adapter. USB-C HDMI charging splitter. $29, the unsung hero. Plugs into HDMI while charging, skip it, and you're half functioning mid-meeting. Trust me, never travel without it. Number 4, the SoundPEATS F5 Pro earbuds. $52, 55 decibels, active noise cancellation, LDAC quality sound, strong battery life, perfect for flights or noisy cafes. The INIU 22.5 watt power bank, $27, 10,000 milliamps of fast charging power, slim, portable, no outlet panic ever again. Nice touch. Number 6, the Meocean Bluetooth wireless keyboard with mouse. Colors are a little feminine, but don't judge. Number 7, the TarzanPro magnetic stand, coming in at $20. Now this tiny, stable, and magnetic stand props up the phone hassle-free. Number 8, and one of the stars of the show, the Lowepro Edit 110 carrying bag, coming in at $79. Now this thing is padded, it's organized, it's compact, it keeps your glasses safe, cable-free, and fits under your seat or in your lap. So if you've enjoyed this setup guide, hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and share with your AR obsessed friends. They'll thank you later. If you want to truly learn how to effectively use your XREAL glasses, I suggest you look at that video right there.